Oh, hey there. It's been a while. You may be wondering where we've been. You may also be wondering what the fuck is happening to the ski industry. There's corporate mega passes turning ski towns into Disney World, and social media skiers manufacturing poser pow turns for followers. I think we all need a slap in the face. Thanks. Since 2009, we've been secretly working on an unprecedented movie. That's right, a 10-year ski movie. A decade of hucks and heartbreaks. You're welcome.
You can film whatever the fuck you guys want and do your shit. Let's go skiing. Hell yeah. Like, that's the bottom fucking line.
Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it tick-tock? I gotta rest, I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live or let die. I gotta rest, I don't know I could. Nothing to reach and I don't feel like I should. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live or let die. I gotta lay down, think I've done enough for today. Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way to live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it tick-tock? I gotta rest, I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm
a fucking pussy, alright? I might be a drunk, at least I'm not a pussy.
Said I should be a big shot. Who said I should take a TikTok? Said I should be a big shot. 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 Said I should be a big shot.
They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. My adversaries crumble when we rumble, it's a catastrophe on anybody who tryna hate, come and blast at me. I've been in this for a minute, see how I graduated from rookie to beginner, but now I'm winning on the road. Backing up and selling our shows, but let's rewind the tape a bit and let them all know who came to rock the floor, Jay, who knocks the most, Willis. I creep up on the come up, whether they hate it or feel this. Next in line to come and battle me quick, man, you don't wanna see me in this circle, I'm killing you, kid. Young Jay, I'm bad. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. Who's back? Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing, check 1, 2 on the mic. And when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. I put everybody that want any issues in a line. Step them up, I started out battle rapping, so I can just flip the script in a minute to these rhymes. See, that's a whole school of wannabe rappers that's out of lines. Why? Question this reckless question with next generation, no extra linguistics. Mess up in this mind, gone out of control. Left for dead if somebody ever took a shot. You press the hit him, I never ride, forever on top. I'm up to date with 7 albums, when will it stop? My steady grind, signing checks, I still get the guap. And you still hate, I'm diverse, just give it a shot.